Welcome to Cheen's Art channel. Subscribe and join the colorful with me. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part number 2 of my special series, DIY Christmas Decor, 9 Simple Holiday Canvas Ideas. Today, we're painting Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on a mini canvas. This design is really sweet, beginner-friendly, and perfect for creating a cozy, handcrafted piece of holiday decor. We'll be focusing on simple shapes and using a small brush for the detailed eyes and that famous bright red nose. Grab your paints and your mini canvas. All set? Let's start painting. That's it. Our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is complete. I love how simple and charming he looks. He's definitely ready to guide the sleigh. Don't forget to let your finished painting dry completely. Remember, acrylics are all about practice, so just enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the full playlist for the other 8 simple holiday canvas ideas. Next up, we are painting Santa stuck in the chimney. You can find the link to the playlist and the next video right in the description box below. Thank you so much for painting with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, creative day. I'll see you in the next video.